Railways, regardless of how well they're maintained, will develop defects on the rail surface, and the repair of those defects currently is carried out by replacing 9 meters of rail. So our idea was that we can repair that in situ.
The machine behind me is J-Weld DDR. It's a discrete defect, fully automated welding machine and milling bike.
In order to make it efficient, it had to be automated such that everything that a human being goes through in the thought process could be replicated by a computer.
The original remit was the machine needed to be controlled via a network rail iPad. So in order to do this, we utilised a nice little user interface. So the operator can monitor the process without being on the track. Because it's automated, it's fully traceable, and the data is available as soon as the repair is finished.
For the purpose of this test, there are twin lasers that are moving across the rail head to measure the profile, and you see that as a red dot. The clamps are going to go into position now, secure it, after which we'll start the milling operation. The welding is taking place now. The welding gun traverses across the width of the rail head and does a number of traverses to cover the cavity that has been cut out. Each weld is done in sequence and then peened and cleaned. The wire has been snipped to the exact length, and the loose scale that you're seeing on top of the weld will be removed by peening across the rail head.
Today we did a full defect repair from start to finish with no input from an operator. The tests we saw only touches the surface of the benefits that this machine will bring to the rail industry.
To try and actually make sure we get more consistency, this type of machinery is going to be ideal for network rail. It's at a stage now where we're almost ready to roll it out to the wider company.
Innovation always challenges current standards. We do the same repair every time exactly the same way, and there is data to back it up. It has tremendous opportunities both in terms of safety, efficiency of working, as well as the greening credentials of rail. It is a world first. There is no such machine, no such technique anywhere else in the world.